Hi, this is Nikhil from Nick Speaks Philosophy. Today we are going to talk about second part of the Karl Marx theory, which is productive forces. And I hope you have gone through the first video, audio, and I hope you liked it. So, in the previous video, we had covered that work and environment around us define the economic relations, whose establishment built a superstructure around the society. Now, the Marx says that the means of production, this superstructure, define the human nature in that particular century. How the humans would behave, or how the nature would be defined by the means of production, the productive forces which are being used, and the way in which they are being used in that particular era or century. So Marx and his good friend Angel believe that humans are obviously different from animals in the sense that we are engaged in the pursuit of productive activities that can improve our lives and make it much more efficient. And it is this pursuit and mode of existing production that seems to form human nature. As the pursuit keeps on increasing, so does the mode of production changes, and so did the human nature. So it is the evolution of human nature which is happening because of the change in mode of production. So for example, just imagine that a feudal man with his would be having his own sense of culture, aspirations, desires, understanding, and as I said, his own nature. But as the mode of production became different, it improved, it changed, the mindset and the human tendencies and the nature also changed. So eventually you would realize that the man in a feudalistic setup would be completely different from the man from a capitalistic setup. The changes, however, done by humans who were able to make this transaction because they signed up themselves for better means of production, better processes, and this survival and the quest to go beyond what is existing right now allowed feudalism to meta transform in and become capitalism. But this transition was just not because some changes in machinery happened. It happened because humans were able to transition their behavior, nature, understanding, desires, and that's why when we transition to higher machinery, higher forms of machinery, the whole structure also transformed, and we transformed and shifted from feudalism to capitalism. So Karl Marx and Angel point out this beautiful theory that it is not only the technological changes, but it is in that process of change that we modify our behavior, our nature also, and this modification of behavior helps us to adapt to new changes. So like we obviously हमें ये लगता है ना कि because of machinery the whole evolution from feudalism to capitalism happened. That would be an incomplete statement. I would say the complete statement would be that because changes happened in the modes of production, we shifted from more capital intensive products, we shifted to more capital intensive machinery, and thus that kind of labor. The human tendencies evolved, human thought process evolved, and this evolution finally led to the beginning of capitalism. So this was a very interesting theory from Karl Marx and Angel around the productive forces. And in the next, you know, theory or next chapter that I would be covering, we would talk about the social relations of production, which both these guys talked about. Thank you.